to clean up Gmail inbox. So if you want to clean up your Gmail inbox, then first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with your gmail.com. And after opening your Gmail, now you need to go with settings, which is on the top right, and go with see all settings. Now once you're on the see all settings, you need to go with the inbox section. And under inbox here, you will have the updates section, right? So you just need simply just go and toggle on the option of updates. And once you turn on the option of updates, you need to scroll down and you need to go and save changes. Once you've saved the changes, then your inbox messages will be removed and they will be sent to the updates section. And now you can go back. Once you go back, then here you will have the update section, right? You can just click on updates and here we will have all of the unwanted emails, which is like notifications, the message notifications, the subscription notifications, and everything that we don't want. So what you can do is you need to find a particular mail that you don't want. For example, I go with Reddit. I don't want any emails from Reddit. So what you need to do is just simply go on search and you need to search for Reddit. Once you search for Reddit here, you will have all of the mails that are sent by Reddit. So you just need to simply go with the top left, which has that select option, and then you can select all and go with delete. And the same way, you can go with other application also, which is, for example, I'll choose Messenger or Facebook. And here you will have all of the mails related to Facebook. You can just simply go with select again, and then you can delete all of that. But if you are getting the option of only 50 conversations to delete, then you need to go with select all conversations that match this search, which will delete all of the conversations and not only 50. So go with select all conversations and then delete, and every email will be deleted. That's how you can clean up Gmail inbox fast and easily. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.